it's Shen Vax with YourColorStyle.com, and welcome to another color analysis case study. This photo was submitted to me from one of my ColorStyle members who has given me permission to use this image out on YouTube. And she is looking to get confirmation on her color type. Now, she says she tends to wear brighter colors, but from every quiz that she's taken, it says that she's a soft summer. So let me just explain that really quickly before we go into the analysis. In your color style, it's not seasonal color analysis. Soft summer means that someone has cool undertones. They wear soft colors best, so soft, more muted, cool colors best. And a summer in seasons tends to be somewhere in the light to medium range of color depth, of darkness. It's a little bit confusing in the seasons of where that might be, that range. So she has gone through a bunch of your color style information, like the quiz and courses, and thinks she might be bright, cool, and medium. And what that means is bright means that she wears brighter colors best. Cool for cool undertones, so she definitely feels comfortable in the cool undertones, and medium meaning that she's right there in the medium range of darkness. Now, I can tell you by looking at her that I think she has this right. I'm still going to show you some examples of why she has it right with bright, cool, and medium, but I can tell you that she's already wearing a bright lip and a bright shirt, and she looks great. It doesn't look overpowering to me. Her eyes have a brightness to them that really need those brighter colors. She has medium brown hair, not super dark and not light. So medium is absolutely perfect. And with the cool undertones, which I do see as well, especially with that cool pink lip, she's bright, cool, and medium. We don't need to look at light. And just so you know, I'm using the tools that are in the DIY color analysis course that's part of the membership. And the first thing that I ask you to do is to narrow your color types down. There are 12 total that can be very overwhelming. So you can choose from light, medium, and deep. So if you already know that you're not light, for example, like in this case, light hair, skin, and eyes, you can eliminate that from your choice. If in this case, we also know that she's not deep. So we can eliminate that from our choices and just focus on medium. That makes things a lot easier when you're only looking at 4 color wheels versus 12. So here she is in the warm colors. We have soft, warm, and medium on the left, bright, warm, and medium on the right. I don't really prefer her in either one. The soft, warm, and medium really needs someone with some earthy tones in them. And she does not have that. As you can see, she's very bright and kind of crisp in her coloring. And this is more of a earthy quality to the colors. If you were to drag this over here, you can see like her skin almost looks more pink when you put it next to these warmer, earthier colors. Over here in the bright, if you had to compare the two, I think she looks great in the bright colors. There are some colors that she can wear in this color wheel, but if we could take the more of the orangey tones here and bring them over, as you can see, not harmonious, not flattering. Then we look at her in soft, cool, and medium and bright, cool, and medium. And it's not that she looks bad in soft, cool, and medium, but she looks great in the bright, cool, and medium. So these are the colors that she should be focusing on, those bright jewel tones, bright colors. You can see here this is not the full color palette, but you can see she's got some deep colors here too. When we bring over the cool magentas and pinks, you can see that this is far more harmonious than what I was showing you with those orangey brownie colors. Here she is in soft, and she looks bright inside of it, which tells me that you want harmony. You don't want to look different from the color palette. And when you bring over these more soft muted tones, you can see that they're actually part of her cheeks. These colors are definitely part of her, which basically tells me that she definitely has cool undertones, but she just looks better in the bright. So bright, cool, and medium is my analysis, and I hope that helped. If you would like to have access to the tools and information for the DIY color analysis course, it is exclusive to the ColorStyle membership. You can join the membership by going to yourcolorstyle.com/member. Enjoy the course, do your self-color analysis, and then share your images within the Color Style membership community, where we can give you professional feedback and help you discover your best color palette. I'm Jen Vax, and thank you so much for watching.